Hey everybody, Super K here with another Fitness Friday video. Today we're going to be doing a HIIT Cardio workout. It'll be a 15-minute workout and I'll be showing you the first set of the series. After that, you just repeat for 2 more sets to really get that workout going. So we're going to start off with a quick 2-minute warm-up to get your muscles loose for this HIIT Cardio. We're going to do a 30-second jumping jack, 30-second jog, 30-second over the river, followed by a quick 30-second jumping jack again. So let's get started. So I'm going to start my timer. Ready? Let's go. Now make sure you're really landing softly. You don't want to be throwing your body around, landing on your toes, getting those arms above your head. 15 more seconds of these jumping jacks. I hope you all know a jumping jack. It's a really easy workout to get those arms engaged, get your legs warmed up. In 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go to that nice jog. I don't want you just like, Super K, I'm working out. No, like, get your heart rate up. This is HIIT Cardio. Don't exhaust yourself during the warm-up though. Keep it at a nice pace. Got 8 more seconds of this. And then we're gonna go into cross the river, which is just the... Now if you can't do that, I want you to shuffle, 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 shuffle. But I'm gonna do cross the river. See, I'm starting to get out of breath. Super K doesn't do a lot of cardio, especially with quarantine. And another set of jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are great because you can go on your toes and also get a nice burn in your calves. Ten more seconds. And then we're gonna get into the real work. And I hope you're ready. And so that's your HIIT warm-up. Grab some water, get ready for the actual work. Whew! I hope you enjoyed that workout. Hope you got that rest you needed. So we're gonna be starting off with our workout. Again, I'm gonna show you that first set of the series. After that, repeat 2 times to really ignite your workout. We're gonna do high knees, burpees, sprint lunge, jump ropes, and mountain climbers. Now, if you're like, Super K, I can't do that. Don't worry, there will be a modifier next to me as I'm performing these workouts. That person's gonna be there for if you just get really tired and your form starts compromising, or if you're just not at that point yet. We have 10 seconds until our first exercise, which is the high knees. So come on, let's get ready. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get those knees above your waist. Now for my more advanced users, if you wanna add a twist, you'll engage your obliques. Super K hurts back this week. I'm not gonna do the twist. Again, it's about knowing where your body is. Follow along with the modifier if you need to for those low impact movements. We just hit 30 seconds, 10 more seconds. Everybody, you can do it. I believe in you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take that break. We're gonna get into our burpees. So if you don't know a burpee, you're gonna go down, jump back, jump up, and up. So this is a really all-encompassing movement. Targets basically your whole body. Here we go. Woo. Reach for the sky. Engage that core when you're down, like this. Bring your feet in and jump up. Again, for more advanced users, if you want to add a knee hit on your jump up, it's a good option. 5 more seconds. Ooh, see, Super K just lost his balance there. I know you're doing great. I'm feeling the workout. Coming up next, Super K's starting to sweat. Coming up next, and I'm forgetting my own moves. Coming up next, we have sprint lunge. See, sometimes you just get too caught up in the workout. So we're just gonna sprint, 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 sprint for 10 seconds, and then lunge for the next 10. So jump lunges. You want to make sure that you're having a very lateral position. Now sprint, sprint. Really get that sprint and lunge. Take that break. Up next we have jump ropes. This is just a good move to keep that heart rate going. You're gonna kick your feet out in front of you. Keep your arms like this. If you really want to, do those big circles. Kick it really fast. And let's go. Whew. This is a great time. Really concentrate on your core. We're not doing much. We're just keeping that heart rate up. See, out of breath. It's all good. This is HIIT Cardio. You should be sweating at this point. If you want, go 2-2. Or just one. Dripping in sweat. I hope you are too. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now you're probably thinking, mountain climbers, I'm going to tell you to drop to the floor. This is a different type of mountain climber. We're going to be nice and slow, right? Again, advanced users, if you want to attack that mountain. Here we go. Again, you don't want to be hunched over. You don't want to be leaning back. It's just a nice up and down, and you're alternating. That's the important thing, right? We're not gonna throw our arms around. You don't get anywhere to climbing like this. Climb that mountain. Alternate. See? You guys are almost done with the first set. Now, if you're still gonna continue on and do the extra sets, keep going. I believe in you. You've got this. If you need to, restart the video and keep going. See, I'm out of breath. If you liked what we had today, follow along, subscribe, like, share the videos. We'll have some new content up for you next week on Friday, as well as our Mindfulness Monday on Monday. I'll see you guys later. Super K out.